ready?
Yeah!
Go on.
Okay guys, we started off in media res for all my A-level/GCSE students. So we've got our cousins, Malachi and Diamond.
Say hi, Dimes.
We're gonna just eat a bit before we go to...
Wow!
Yay!
Diamond, are you ready?
Yeah!
What animal do you want to see?
I chicken.
Guys, we are here. We're about to go in. We took some pictures. Guys, are you ready?
Yeah!
Go on.
Guys, look at the ducks. No, look at the chicken.
Down.
Look at all those chickens.
I think that's a big pig.
One of the pigs who was called Dido had recently given birth to some piglets. Let's check them out.
Ditto.
Look at them. I want a pig size of 4.
Hopefully you guys can see the donkeys.
Did you know donkeys bond for life? And donkeys are great at remembering things. There are more than 40 million donkeys worldwide.
Guys, we're going on this trail. Where does this lead to?
We even saw some goats.
You got the sheep, guys. Guys, we're gonna go to another place now.
Whoa there, buddy. Don't eat the camera.
Yes, buddy.
Bye.
It says
Wait, Malachi, where are we going?
to the park. Hi, guys.
Buddy trying to get high on the swing, guys.
Me and Milan went on the swings for a while. I learned how to push myself on the swing.
Guys, we are going to the bus.
Put your hand down.
We're gonna get on the bus and then I'll let you guys know when we're in Mcdonald's's. Are we gonna eat there or we're gonna go home?
Go!
Say hi, guys. We're at McDonald's now. Go on.
Malachi.
All
We
of this.
each got a balloon.
Okay guys, we are going home.
That's it for the day.
Yeah.
It's been a long day. Diamond's got her balloon. What colour is your balloon?
Now.
We're about to do the sour challenge. See you on the next video.
Make sure you subscribe, guys, and make sure you share and like this video. And comment down below what video you want to see next.